1 tablespoon clarified butter. Cook until it melts. 40-gram full macanas. Roast on low flame until crispy. Let it cool. 150-gram jaggery. 1 tablespoon water. Cook on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. A half teaspoon green cardamom powder. 1 teaspoon clarified butter. Mix well. Add roasted full macanas. 2 tablespoon sesame seeds. 2 tablespoon desiccated coconut. Cook on low flame until it coats properly. Grease the pan. Let it cool 70%. Separate them from each other. It can be stored in an airtight jar for 1 month.